and welcome again to my channel. I hope you've been doing well. Please subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So today's recipe is this healthy cabbage sauce. Yeah, I'll be showing you how to make this sauce today. And we'll be needing cabbage to start off the dish. I have my fresh pepper, yellow, green, and red pepper. I have my shrimps, and I have my gizzard, and I'll be using some fresh fish today. So let's get right into the video as usual. I'll start off by boiling the gizzard. I'll be needing onion, turmeric powder, curry powder, seasoning cube, salt, and water. And allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. So for the fish, I'll add my seasoning cube, salt, and I'll mix it all over, apply it all over the fish and set it aside. Yeah, I try to keep my spice as minimal as possible. So this is ready. I'll set it aside for frying now. So I'll start up with my shrimps. It's nicely cleaned, spiced, and I'll fry it and set it aside. So the shrimps is ready. I'll take it off and I'll put my gizzard. I'll fry that quickly. Yeah, I'll fry the gizzard, then I'll fry my fish and set all this aside. Then I'll quickly slice my red, yellow, and green pepper and the cabbage and set them aside. So I'm frying my fish right now. When the other side is done, I'll flip it and set aside. So I'll start up the sauce. I'll start by adding my onion, pepper, garlic and ginger powder, some curry. I'll stir very well and add my vegetables. So I'll continue cooking my vegetables on low heat. I'll stir this for a while. Then I'll add my oyster sauce, about a tablespoon, and I'll continue to stir. At this time, I'll introduce my shrimps and gizzard. Combine properly to make sure everything is mixing up nice and good. So it's time to prepare my slurry. I'll be using this brand of corn flour. I'll mix it with water to get my slurry ready. So I'll introduce my gizzard stock in, then my slurry. I'll mix up to thicken up the sauce. As you can see, everything is coming up nicely. It's becoming thick and our sauce is delicious. It's time to add the cabbage. I'll add it and I'll just cover it to steam up a little bit. Then I'll stir it properly. I'll stir this and I'll add a pinch of seasoning cube. Yeah. If you've watched up until this point, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon so you always be notified whenever there's a new video in this channel. And like my video, share with your friends. Thank you so much. As you can see, our sauce is ready. So I'll be enjoying this with my white rice. Please try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this cabbage sauce. Thank you for always watching my videos. I love you so much. Bye.